Avalanche upgrade. I got a whole box of goodies for this GT Avalanche, as you can see right there. And what we're gonna start with today. My butt itches. Oh, what's this? Deck is oval chain ring for the GT Avalanche. Let's install it. We don't need no stinking front gears to have a good time. Oh no. Okay. Come on here. Get it. Balance on it. Okay. Come this way. Come on. Ooh. All right. Front derailleur. Almost. Oh. She go. Oh why? Oh why? Put the devil in the place she go. Go. Oh why? Oh why? And just like that. Didn't need no front gears anymore. We'll get that off later. Oh, no, yep, we're gonna chain break this. Hey! Get back to your Zoom class. Here we go. We're gonna pop this chain.
Daddy.
What?
Sonic. Sonic.
Clickety clickety clack. There it goes. I think we got it. I think we got it. Oh, you guys. Oh. Yes, we got it.
What was the chain?
Finally, it's gone. Now we're gonna get these pedals off. All right, let's go. Get the gears in. Where are these puppies? It's okay to lose them because I got new ones. All right. Okay. Taking off that there. And we got the old chain rings off, and the last one I didn't have a crank tool, so yeah buddy, everything's back on. And she's looking nice, functioning. I'm gonna test ride it and see if we need a chain guide, but with no further ado, that's a wrap on installing the oval chain ring. All right, so we took it out for a ride. I did not see any need for a chain guide. It ended up riding great, and I would definitely recommend it to everybody. The reason I got rid of the front derailleur is because the front shifting was terrible on it. I was always having chain jumps, and she's good to go. Stay tuned for some more upgrades. We're gonna do tubeless tires, I'm gonna take it for more rides and jump it and let you guys know how it works out. All right, so these are the tires we're going to be throwing on there. Maxxis Aggressor 2.3 and Maxxis Minion DHF for the front. I've been riding through a lot of sandy, dry conditions out here, so these stock tires are not holding up well. It's very slippery. We're going to throw in some Muck Off, no puncture tubeless sealant, and we're going to see how all that works and give it a review. Join us next time.